Let me show you how to get a repair done like this, super quick. Now, because this repair is so deep, you want to avoid a regular wood filler. That's going to take over a day to dry and it's going to crack like crazy. A much better option is this Bondo style wood filler. This stuff's hard to find. I will link it in the description. You're going to be able to sand the Bondo in about 10 minutes and it's not going to crack. When it comes to mixing in the cream hardener, 2 knives is the way to go. You want to mix this very thoroughly, but very quick at the same time. Once it's all mixed up, you only have about 2 to 3 minutes to apply it. You can see by the time I get to the far side here, it's already starting to harden up. Once you get that all roughed out, just clean the knives off and give it about 10 to 15 before you get to sanding. After 10 minutes, you can shave any of the big lumps off with a knife. Then you want to sand that down with some 150 grit sheet sandpaper. And if you look closely, you can see some little nicks and imperfections that I need to fill in. At this point, I like to switch back to the wood filler. You can put the wood filler on your finger and just kind of work it into the little nicked areas, and you don't have to worry about a chemical burn. And because these are so shallow, the wood filler is actually going to dry in about 15 minutes. And on that final sand, take a little extra time and make sure you get a nice rounded outside corner. Any of those sharp edges, you hit that with the vacuum cleaner, it's going to chip for sure. At this point, you could hit this with some trim paint, but I'm going to hit it with some spray primer. So I'm going to tape off the area, and then I'm going to use Bin Zinsser shellac based primer. Shake the heck out of that can, hit it with one nice little light coat, give it a light, easy sand, one more coat. And you can see this repair here is looking about as good as baseboard is ever going to look. And if you want to see a pretty foolproof method on how to paint baseboard, go ahead and check out this video right over here. Absolutely should put this trick into your bag of tricks. Oh my God, what am I even talking about here? That was pretty good. Let's try it without the big sob story at the beginning. You know what the funny thing is here is I'm going to be ripping all this stuff out of the house anyways. I'm just repairing this to show you how to do it.